Presenting the Samsung Galaxy Book3 360 Intel 13th Generation i5 EvoTM 33.78 cm. It has operating system, Windows 11 Home and pre-installed software, MSOffice Home and Student 2021, Galaxy ecosystem apps. It comes with processor, 13th generation Intel Core i5 1335U processor, up to 4. It comes with 6 GHz 12 MB L3 cache, memory, 16 GB LPDDR4X memory, storage, 512 GB NVMe SSD vertical bar Intel Iris Xe graphics. It has display, 13.3 inches, 33.78 cm, Super AMOLED. It comes with Wi-Fi 6E without CD drive vertical bar battery, 61.1 Wh and charger, 65W USB Type-C adapter. It features camera, 1080p and intelligent video call solution with Intel collaboration vertical bar Dolby Atmos, microphone, 1 headphone out/mic and combo, keyboard, backlit. It also features ports, 1 Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C and 1 USB Type-C. 1 USB Type-A and 1 HDMI.